Assalamualaikum and good day, Doctor. Today we are presenting on our assignment 2 titled Automated Testing using Selenium IDE for Employee Record Management System. This project aims to demonstrate the use of Selenium IDE to perform automated testing on key functionalities of an employment management system. Let me now introduce our team. We are from Group 7. Our team's member are me, Yasmin Maisarah, Mia Ahmad Nizam, metric number 287037, Nur Hamidah Amran, 286565, Muhammad Irfan Hafiz bin Muhammad Azam, 286145, and Nur Zulaika Muhammad Nazri, 289578. Firstly, introduction. Selenium Integrated Development Environment IDE is an open source tool for automated web application testing. It offers a lightweight, user-friendly platform to record and replay browser interaction, supporting multiple browsers for versatile testing. By automatically repetitive tasks, Selenium IDE ensures consistent results, enhance efficiency, and improve software quality. In this report, Selenium IDE was used to test two key functionalities of a web application, focusing on 10 test fields per functionality. The goal was to identify issues, validate outputs, and ensure reliable system performance while streamlining the testing process.
Hello, my name is Nur Zulaika binti Muhammad Nazri. My matric number 289578. Now I'll be continuing from where we left off and will now focus on the advantage and disadvantage of using Selenium in more details. Firstly, I will talk about advantage of using Selenium. First, open source and free. Selenium is an open source tool, meaning it's free to use. This eliminates licensing costs, which can be a significant advantage for companies with limited budget for QA tools. The open source nature also means that it's continuously evolving, with developers from all over the world contributing to its improvement. This makes Selenium a very cost-effective and reliable tool for automation. Second, support multiple browsers. Another major advantage of Selenium is its compatibility with several popular browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. This makes it possible to ensure that web application perform consistently across different platforms. By using Selenium, companies can save time and effort by not needing separate testing tools for each browser, reducing overhead and improving efficiency. Next, I will talk about disadvantage of using Selenium. First, limited to web application. Selenium is built specifically for web automation, meaning it can't be used to test desktop application or mobile apps directly. For project requiring tests for non-web application, you need to use additional tools such as Auto for desktop application or Appium for mobile apps. This makes Selenium less versatile for organizations with a diverse range of testing needs. Second, complex setup and maintenance. Setting up Selenium requires installing browser-specific drive like Chrome driver for Chrome or Gecko driver for Firefox, which can be time-consuming and require regular updates. As browser evolve, these drivers need to be maintained to ensure they are compatible with the latest browser versions. This ongoing maintenance adds complexity and may cause testing delays if not kept up to date.
Then we go to the step of performing automated tested using Selenium IDE. Step 1, you have to install the Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE is available as a browser extension for Chrome and Firefox. Navigate to the official Selenium website to download and install the extension. Ensure your browser version is compatible to avoid installation issues. Step 2 is to create a new project. Launch Selenium IDE from your browser after installation. Click on Create a New Project. Assign a descriptive name to the project for easy identification. Add a new test case using the plus sign and provide a unique test case name. For the step 3, start recording a test. Open Selenium IDE and set the playback base URL like given. Click the record button. Perform typical interaction on the application under test, such as navigate through the menus or pages, filling out forms, or clicking buttons or links. Selenium will automatically log this interaction for playback. Step 4 is to run the test. Click the Run button to execute the recorded test cases. Monitor test execution in real time through the browser displaying the action or the Selenium IDE console or log panel for progress update. This will identify and troubleshoot any failure or warning encountered during executions. For the last step, which is step 5, repeat for multiple test cases. Repeat the process for additional workflows or functionalities. Organize related tests into a suite for systematic execution and comprehensive coverage.
Hi, I will continue the presentation with the results. So after conducting the automated testing using Selenium IDE, the pie charts above provide a clear representation of the system performance across three categories. Number one is the valid cases. Number two, invalid cases correctly rejected, and invalid cases incorrectly accepted. So the testing focus on two primary functionalities, which is create account and input validation, and included 10 distinct input fields, which is the number one is first name, last name, employee's code, email, password, and repeated password, as well as inputs containing symbol, numeric values, blank space, and improper spacing in email address. The result of the automated testing are summarized as follows. In the valid case categories, all 10 valid test cases were proceed successfully, achieving a 100% success rate. This demonstrates the system reliability in handling accepted input without any error. In the invalid cases correctly rejected category, the system successfully rejected 9 out of 10 invalid test case, achieving a 90% success rate. This indicates the system robustness in handling most improper inputs, although there was a one invalid case where an email with spacing was incorrectly accepted. This accounted for 5% of the total invalid cases, demonstrating a need for refinement and edge case validation. The percentage in the pie charts were okay, boleh potong kot.
Next, in this section, we will discuss suggestions for improving failure test cases. Failures can occur due to incorrect test scripts, handling of dynamics elements, or environmental instability. First, we need to regularly review and refine our test scripts. This ensures alignment with the application functionality while minimizing errors. By using modular designs and descriptive comments, scripts become easier to understand and reuse. Additionally, validation tools before the execution helps prevent failures caused by coding errors or outdated test steps. Next, dynamic elements often pose challenge in automated testing, especially when their attributes change frequently or load asynchronously. To address this, we can use robust strategies like XPath, expression, or CSS selectors. These techniques allow us to target elements based on the structure or partial attributes, ensuring reliability even when properties change. Lastly, a stable testing environment is critical for accurate results. Inconsistent factors such as different browser version or network conditions can lead to test failures. Using tools like Docker helps create consistent environment by isolating dependency, simulating real-world conditions such as verifying network speeds, and also enhance test reliability. By implementing these strategies, we can significantly reduce test failures and ensure the reliability of automated testing process. In conclusion, the use of Selenium IDE for automated testing of the employee record management system has proven effective in validating system functionalities and maintaining software quality. The test successfully handle key input validation such as names, employee codes, emails, and passwords, ensuring robust performance in these areas. However, minor gaps were identified, particularly in handling edge cases like email addresses with spacing issues, which require further refinement to improve accuracy. To enhance system stability and testing reliability, we recommend three key improvements, which are regularly updating and refining test scripts to ensure alignment with the latest system change, adapting the test approach to address dynamic elements effectively, and utilizing Docker to create a consistent and stable testing environment. These strategies will not only strengthen the testing process but also contributes to the overall quality and reliability of the system. Thank you.